Okay, they're all getting ready to go on a big fun vacation.
Yes, we are, Willie. Will you open the door for us, Sarah?
Absolutely.
And the
And
kitty's
then
going to do just fine, right? I'm not
Kitty's gonna be really fine.
Okay. I can do this.
Here you go, little kitty.
I got everything you could possibly.
Okay. All right.
Get a little footage of
Yeah, it's just
the young miss.
All right. I might see you again, might not. We'll see what happens.
My hands are shaking. Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right. Well, many blessings and a lot of luck, and just hope that she can be mellow enough to.
Living out her nightlife.
Okay. All right.
Well,
Thank you. Okay. Okay.
maybe even sooner.
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. You just have a wonderful time and a wonderful trip, and a safe one. Call on Saint Anthony, Saint Michael, Saint Mary, Saint Jesus, and Saint God.
I hear St. God's really with all the power.
He's like the highest one
He's
on
like
the.
the central bank.
Okay, you guys.
All righty. Truck rolls on one more time. Right after.